morning everyone, I am Jasmine.
I am Praveen.
We are the students of class +1 science from the Unitized World School.
Today we are going to perform volumetric titration. We are going to titrate M.S.C solution of sodium carbonate against HCl to find the molarity of HCl. This is a burette and we have taken dilute HCl in the burette.
And we have taken M/20 solution of sodium carbonate in this flask, and now we will add 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange. Now we can see the solution has become yellow.
Now we will add drop by drop the HCl solution into the sodium carbonate solution. Now we can see that our solution has become pink from yellow. Now we will note our readings. Our initial reading was 0 and now our reading has come to 1.5. We will take another 2 readings and we will take then concordant reading, that will be the value of x.
So now we will put the value of x in the formula of molarity and we will get the molarity, and then from molarity we can find the strength of HCl.
So this was our experiment on volumetric titration.
Thank you and have a nice day.